Om Namah Shivaya, Om Namah Shivaya, Om Namah Shivaya. Here you are seeing totally unbelievable, naturally Om Lord Shiva and Bhairava in this conch. It's called as totally unbelievable, naturally Lord Shiva Om Bhairava Indian conch. It's a beautiful conch collected from the Indian Ocean. Here you can see clear natural Om. So you can see clear natural Om, beautifully from here in long, very clear natural Om, beautiful Om. And here you can see Lord Shiva face. Here you can see Lord Shiva face. You can see eye, nose, mouth, mustache. Lord Shiva face. Above the Lord Shiva face, here you can see Lord Bhairava face. See, you can see Lord Bhairava face. Clear face of Lord Bhairava here. Lord Bhairava here, and total here Lord Shiva, and very clear Om. See how clear the Om is. Very clear Om. Naturally very clear Om. Extremely unbelievable natural collection from Indian Ocean. You can see clear Om on this conch. Clear Om on this conch. Totally unbelievable. But definitely this conch is going to be give you full blessings of Lord Shiva. Full blessings of Lord Shiva. See how clear the Om it is. How clear. Unbelievable formation. Unbelievable formation. It will give you extreme blessings of Lord Shiva. Extreme blessings of Lord Shiva. Om Namah Shivaya, Om Namah Shivaya, Om Namah Shivaya.